Start by pulling back the flip-flop in the trunk. See the plug behind the light. Press down on the plug's catch and pull out the plug. Take the pair of wires and plug them into the light plugs. Make sure the lights are glowing okay and start installing the lights. Next, embed the ambient light into the original adhesive strip. Ambient lighting with the illuminated side facing down. Easy to install, no adhesive required. After that, the light goes up and the tape goes down. Tuck the tumblers back in. Let's take a look at the results.